Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask someone, how are you? But first, let's learn how to say, are you doing well? And in order to ask someone how they're doing, or in order to say how we are doing, we'll first need to learn about the verb chineda. Chineda has a few meanings, but in this lesson, we'll use it to mean to spend or to pass time. For example, 시간을 지내다 also means to pass time. Now, when used by itself, chineda means that you're passing time while living. So you can ask someone if they're doing well, or say that you're doing well using 잘 지내다, which literally means to pass the time well. So for close acquaintances who are the same age as you or older, you can say 잘 지내요? And to strangers or to anyone else who you want to show extra politeness, you can say 잘 지내세요? So now that we know about the verb 지내다, we can also change the adverb 잘 into 어떻게, how, and we can use this to ask someone how they're doing. Here's how to do that. To close acquaintances who are the same age as you or older, you can ask 어떻게 지내요? And to strangers or to anyone else who you want to show extra politeness, you can ask 어떻게 지내세요? So now we know how to ask someone if they're doing well and how to ask how they're doing. Here's how to reply. You can also use 지내다 with 잘 to say that you are doing well. For example, you can say 네, 잘 지내요. Yes, I am doing well. Or 네, 잘 지내고 있어요. Yes, I am, and currently and have been continually doing well. Another phrase that you might want to say to people in a similar situation is long time no see, and you can do that with the expression 오랜만이다, literally meaning to be a long time since something. And you'll conjugate this to say, well, it's been a long time since we've met, since I've seen you. Here's an example. 오랜만이에요. Long time no see. To reply to this, you can just say 네, yes, and repeat the expression. 네, 오랜만이에요. Yes, long time no see. So now let's do a conversation practice between two people, Heejun and Woohyuk, using the concepts that we've learned today. First, Heejun says, 안녕하세요. 오랜만이에요. Hi, long time no see. 네, 오랜만이에요. Yes, long time no see. 잘 지내세요? Are you doing well? 네, 아주 잘 지내고 있어요. Yes, I am doing very well. 우혁 씨는요? How about you, 우혁? Or, as for you, 우혁? 저도 잘 지내고 있어요. I am also doing well. 부모님들도 잘 지내고 계세요? Are your parents also doing well? Note here that the 고 있다 form can also be conjugated as 고 계시다, using honorific speech. 네, 잘 지내고 계세요. Yes, they are doing well.
안녕하세요. 오랜만이에요. 네, 오랜만이에요. 잘 지내세요? 네, 아주 잘 지내고 있어요. 우혁 씨는요? 저도 잘 지내고 있어요. 부모님들도 잘 지내고 계세요? 네, 잘 지내고 계세요.
So in this lesson, we learned how to ask someone if they're doing well as how they're doing and how to reply to that. So practice what we've learned in this lesson, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.